Color idioms. Idioms which mentions the names of the colors. Black and white. Very clear with written proof. Example, you want to give your reason for late in black and white. Meaning, you want to take a sheet of paper and you want to write clearly the reason for your late coming. That is black and white. Blue-eyed boy. Somebody's favorite. Example, Zam is the blue-eyed boy of all teachers in our school. Golden handshake. A large sum of money given to a person when they retire. Example, my father received a golden handshake at the time of his retirement. Meaning, my father received a large sum of money. He got a large sum of money at the time of his retirement. Green with envy. Very envious or jealous. Example, when I heard about his luxurious life, I was green with envy. I was not able to digest. I got jealous upon him. Grey matter refers to the brain intelligence, intelligent brain. Okay. Example, use your grey matter to solve this problem. Use your intelligence. You use the intelligence of your brain to solve this problem. Caught red-handed. To find someone while they are doing something wrong. To catch the culprit. Example, he was caught red-handed taking money from the bank. Paint the town red. Go out and enjoy. Example, let's go and paint the town red, Sarah. Unfortunately, we are not able to paint the town red because of the corona. Roll out the red carpet. To treat someone in a very special way. Honoring a guest. Example, we have to roll out the red carpet for the dedicated doctors and nurses because they are the real fighters. Silver lining. The positive side of unpleasant or negative situation. Always believe, even if you are in a very, very negative situation, you are facing an unpleasant situation in your life, there is a positive side. For every night, there is a morning. There is a sunrise for every sunset. Here example, every cloud has a silver lining. After the cloud, after the dark cloud, we will get rain. So try to see the positive side of every situation. Then life will be the happiest place. Born with a silver spoon in the mouth. Born in a rich family. Example, little Mariam is born with a silver spoon in her mouth. She is very rich.